Let's talk about producing carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide can be produced by reacting carbon with excess oxygen in extremely in high temperatures when heated. This is one way of forming carbon dioxide. Another way of doing so is it's a more convenient way. It is by taking carbonates and bicarbonates and simply heating or exposing them or adding dilute acids into them. That's another way of getting carbon dioxide. It's a more convenient way. The last way of doing so is by reacting carbon monoxide with oxygen in extremely high temperatures, like in a blue color flame. And that's where we get that's another way of getting carbon dioxide. This is by far the most convenient way of obtaining it. Go for this. Now, if we were to how do we get carbon monoxide? Well, this is how we do it. We can in extremely high temperatures, carbon dioxide reacts with carbon to produce carbon monoxide. Or simply, even in high temperatures, carbon dioxide reacts with zinc to form carbon monoxide and zinc oxide. You see, carbon and water exists in an equilibrium with carbon monoxide and hydrogen. It's a unique equilibrium. It's a very circumstantial one also. So it's another way of getting it. Another way of doing so is also in a blast furnace like conditions, and in that carbon calcium carbonate decomposes into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, because carbonates decompose into their oxide and carbon dioxide. And in that, the same reaction we see above, the carbon dioxide reacts with carbon to form carbon monoxide. So we can get the added reaction, the complete reaction, where calcium carbonate reacts with carbon in these conditions to form carbon monoxide and calcium oxide. Another more convenient way of doing this is by simply dehydrating formic acid, HCOOH. By dehydrating it means by adding a reagent like concentrated sulfuric acid. We will discuss it later. And here we will obtain carbon monoxide and water.